What if you could make a love song for free without even writing the lyrics or recording any music? Stay tuned to see how. Hey everyone, Andy AI Swede here, and I'm about to reveal the secret to crafting the perfect love song for your partner by only writing a single prompt. What if I told you that you could create a personalized love song that's both unique and heartfelt, all for free? And what if you could do it in minutes, not days? Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready to be amazed, because AI is changing the game of romance. In this video, I'll show you how to use powerful AI tools to craft a love song that will sweep your partner off their feet. Whether you're a musical novice or simply looking for a unique way to express your love, AI has your back. Let's dive in and discover the future of romance. But first, I'll give you a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. First, we will use a chatbot to write personalized lyrics. I use Google Gemini, but you should use the one you prefer. Simply input a prompt that describes your partner, starting with a name. And I'm just gonna make up a name here and make up qualities. So this is for a fictive person. So the prompt goes, "Hi, can you please help me write lyrics for a love song to my girlfriend Anya? She has sparkling eyes, a captivating smile, an adventurous spirit, a kind heart, and strength and resilience." Press enter, and the chatbot will then generate heartful lyrics that truly resonate. Let's see. We get verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and so forth. Bridge, chorus. Looks like a full song. Now I will copy this prompt, except for the hello part, and I will head over to Suno AI. And Suno AI is a music generator which you can use for free. Press make a song, and you can sign up using Discord. If you have that, you can use Google or you can use Microsoft. And once you have an account, you can make 5 songs a day or 10 songs, because every time you press make a song, it makes 2 versions. So you can do that 5 times a day for free. If you want to make more daily songs than that, or if you want to use your songs professionally, Suno has subscriptions starting at $8 a month. Make sure that you read Suno's full terms of service. Under the chapter Intellectual Property Rights, you find this paragraph, basically saying that if you pay for Suno's service, you own the music you create. But if you use the free version, Suno owns the music, but you can still use it for personal use as long as you credit Suno. I leave a link to Suno in my description below. So what I do, I will put in the same prompt, and then I will press create. And this normally takes about 20 seconds. So what you see here is real time. Let's see what we get. We get the title, Sparkling Eyes. We get a genre, pop. And we will also get a visual for each of the 2. Let's give them a listen.
Her eyes shine like diamonds, glisten in the dark. Smile captivating, it lights up my heart. She's got an adventurous spirit, always seeking to explore. With a kind heart and resilience, she's a force to adore.
Let's see the second one.
Her eyes shine like diamonds, glisten in the dark. Her smile captivating, it lights up my heart. She's got an adventurous spirit, always seeking to...
No, I didn't like that. I think we will use our own lyrics from the chatbot. So I'll head over to custom mode, and here I can enter my lyrics. But I will only put in the 3 first paragraphs, since Suno will only make a song up to 2 minutes this first time. So I'll put in the 3 paragraphs. Suno likes square brackets for the headers, not parentheses. I'm going to change these parentheses to square brackets. And once that's done, I won't choose instrumental because then it won't be in a song. And first I have a bonus tip here. I asked my chatbot that from now on, please use square bracket instead of parentheses when you write lyrics for me. And hopefully it will work next time. I won't have to change these. Alright, for style of music I will use ballad, love song, and I also want a male singer, male voice. Title, I will leave it for Suno to decide, and then I push create. And I will speed the process up a bit this time, so we won't have to wait for it.
In your sparkling eyes, I see you, the universe unfold. Galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Your captivating smile, a beacon in the night, guiding me through darkness, filling me with light. Anya, my love,
A bit too mellow. Let's see what about the second one?
in your sparkling eyes, I see a universe unfold. Galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Your captivating smile, a beacon in the night.
No, it's too mellow. So I'm gonna add something here for style. Power ballad. I think I'll leave the rest as it is. And actually I'm gonna put in the same title. In your sparkling eyes, I see a universe. All right, let's push create.
In your sparkling eyes, I see a universe unfold. Galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Your captivating smile, a beacon in the night, guiding me through darkness, filling me with light.
What about the second one? Let's listen to that.
In those sparkling eyes, I see universe unfold. Galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Your captivating smile, a beacon in the night, guiding me through darkness, filling me with light. Anya, my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer, no matter how far. We'll climb mountains high and dive into oceans deep, exploring this world. Secrets we'll keep, hand in hand we'll wander for its own brand. With every step, our love understand.
I like that one. And as I said before, at the first creation, Suno makes a song up to 2 minutes, and we have 1 minute 52 seconds. And there you have it. A personalized love song created entirely with AI. Surprise your partner with this unique gift and let them know how much they mean to you. If you want to learn how to extend the song beyond the 2 minutes to fit in the rest of the lyrics, make sure to watch this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share this video if you found it helpful.